Today we're going to show you how we program this garage door remote control opener to the overhead door, garage door opener model 555. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is press the security code button and it will flash once. Then you press the button on your remote control for about 1 second, then release. And the light will flash twice, indicating that the code was accepted. Then you will press the remote control button again and it should flash 3 times. Then you do it again for a 4th time. And then you will press it one more time for the 5th code. You'll press it again and the light should come on for about 5 seconds. And then that means that the code programming has been complete and you can test it by pushing the button. And there you have it. Thank you, and please subscribe.